Oh dear, YouTubers. Oh dearie dear. I am in severe trouble. I really don't know how we're going to get out of this. I mean, you can just see by looking in there all the previous blow-ups it's had. You can actually see the stroke. Hell, I need to spin that around. You can see the first and second ring there, look. You can also see where the first and second ring stop at the bottom of the stroke. That's how bad these things are. And they're scored top to bottom as well. I have been all over YouTube. I cannot find any sensible videos on taking the liners out. Not for this engine. Now you won't be able to see in there because of the light. But anyway, I'm just going to strap you to my forehead while we do the third world version of stripping a cylinder head. Right, I am going to replace Boards of Canada on my ears while I improvise. So get the popcorn out. I think I originally made this to take the valves out of the V8 engine speaker magnet. Fantastic lighting in here. I'm sure you can see every single bit of what we're doing. But the upshot of it is, I want to move those caps. Okay. The observant ones amongst us will notice my camshaft, which is not a good look. Right, might as well go in one direction, haven't I, really? Yeah, so while that camshaft was making its way out, it removed a lot of the threads on the rocker cam covers, so I might have some issues trying to get the bolt to fit. Right, one. Well, we got away with that one. They get progressively better as we get to the front, so I can't remember how many threads are ripped out now. I think it's about 3. Doing these expensive workshop tools, eh? 1, 2. 1, 2, yeah. Quite the other way in a minute. A nice bit of Boards of Canada helping me through this difficult time. Oh, where'd that collet go? There he is. Right, that's actually 1, so 2.3. Oh, I ran out of valves here. What have you done? That was number 2. Oh yeah, number 2. That was number 3. Number 4. The only problem with Thailand is they're unable to do anything logical. It's all got to be done by, well, I need to see the old parts, otherwise we can't get you the new ones. Right, I'm still struggling here, aren't I? Oh, I got a cam follower missing. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, right, okay. 1, yeah. 2, 3. Oh, 4's out as well. There you go. Right then. Round 2. Okay, so he says struggling to refit the headpiece of digital recording. I think we're back on now, music's back on. Let's get this bad boy out of here. Right, don't want to lose that. Where's the rest of the head bolts? No idea, but it's in there now. Oh, this is so pointlessly heavy. I just randomly had the engine blow up on me. I don't really know why. The belt had snapped. Brand new belt. No idea why it went. Let's have our valves out. Let's see what we got. Oh god, what a motley collection. Now that one's jammed in. Better make sure I'm hitting the right bit, ain't I really? Interesting. Oh, people. Now that is interesting, isn't it? Or is that just a bad... Oh, I don't know. I filled all the ports up with water yesterday, and they all held water except this one, which you can see is heavily burned. But then so's that one. That's horrifically stamped in. And that one. That one's burned as well. This is where all my horsepower have gone. All of them have just escaped. Escaped, I say. Now then, shall I use a punch on that, or shall I just go for it with a chisel? Whoa. I've never had to hammer a valve out before. Which is annoying because I've got no access to get in there now. Right. Might as well put them back there, aren't you?